how I finally turned my meditation around and the shortcut I wish I'd known earlier. I spent 10 years trying to be good at meditation, only to realize I was actually making my stress worse. Most people think they're bad at meditation, when really they're just trying way too hard to be good at it. If you've ever sat down, closed your eyes, and thought, why does everyone else seem to get this except me? You're not failing. I want to show you the one shortcut that finally stopped my meditation from feeling like a chore and started making it the best part of my day. You're just stuck in a loop I was stuck in for years. I genuinely believed meditation was supposed to turn me into this calm, unshakable person. Quiet mind, no stress. That belief caused more frustration than meditation ever did. And when it didn't work, I didn't question the belief, I questioned myself. So I tried harder, longer sessions, newer techniques, better posture. None of that helped, and that matters because the effort I thought would fix meditation was the exact thing blocking it. In a minute, I'll tell you the one shift that finally changed this. But first, you need to see where most people unknowingly go wrong. When I first came to meditation in my teens, it was not curiosity, it was desperation. My mind was always ticking, and if yours feels the same, you're not unusual. Overthinking, replaying conversations, worrying about everything and nothing, meditation felt like a way to finally fix myself without realizing it. Every time I sat down, I was meditating against who I was. I had this image of what a real meditator looked like, calm, controlled, peaceful all the time. So when my mind wandered, I took it personally. I fought my thoughts. I judged every session. I turned meditation into a performance review. The harder I tried to control my mind, the louder it became. That was not failure, it was cause and effect. What I did not understand back then was something simple but huge. Meditation is not about entering a special state. It is about a relationship. This is where everything shifts. There's the mind and then there's you, the one who notices it. That is your awareness. But noticing is not enough if you're still using the wrong tools. That is why the first thing I had to stop doing was searching for a secret technique. If you're still searching, you're postponing practice. When you stop searching for the perfect way, you gain back all that mental energy you've been spending on doubt. You finally get to experience the actual peace you've been reading about. People who understand meditation stop upgrading and start showing up. Second, meditation is not mind control. The moment you try to silence thoughts, you create more noise. It is like trying to shout at a thunderstorm to make it be quiet. You just end up with a sore throat and more noise. The real skill is space, not suppression. Once you understand this relationship, you'll see why meditation actually feels harder right before it gets better, and why that is the exact moment most people mistakenly quit. Third, let the mind be. Every time you interfere, you restart the struggle. Every time you return gently, something loosens. This sounds passive, but it's precise. And this is where people think they've got it and still walk away. Here is the trap no one warns you about. Once people understand this, they expect meditation to feel easier. And when it doesn't, they assume they misunderstood something. This movement ends more practices than boredom ever did. Meditation does not get quieter at first. It gets clearer. It's like turning on the lights in a messy room. It doesn't mean the room just became messy. It means you can finally see the work that needs to be done. I almost quit because I thought clarity meant failure. It does not. It means you're finally seeing honestly. Meditation is not training you to be calm on a cushion. It's training you to return when life pulls you off center. This means when your boss is stressed or your plans fall apart, you do not spiral. You notice the reaction and you come back. That is the real world superpower this practice gives you. Noticing you have drifted and coming back without attacking yourself. That is the practice. I spent years thinking meditation was about becoming someone else. Calmer, better, fixed. That belief kept me stuck longer than distraction ever did. Meditation is not about fixing yourself. Nothing about you is broken. If your meditation feels messy or distracting, that doesn't mean it failed. It means it's working. Every time you notice a distraction and come back, that moment is the practice. No calm to achieve, no experience to chase, just noticing and returning. And if you keep doing that, your mind will change, your meditation will improve quietly over time. If this helped you, stay with Finding Meditation. And like I always say, keep meditating.